Good morning, guys. The market has been going up for quite some time right now, and today is the 25th. Can see this bullish momentum, which may be scary. This week we have a lot of events lined up, especially on Wednesday. So expiry would be highly volatile, and it might also be a really nice trending expiry. So we have to keep an eye over there. But over here you can see that the market has been over here you can see that the market has been going up and up in a straight manner, and this can be scary. Okay, just give me a moment. Sure. Hello. Now the main question is that will it sustain over here? Okay, and I think it would be difficult, but it did open with a small gap down, or you can say that it opened in a flattish manner today, and it's trying to sustain. Not bad. So let us just go into the 5 minute time frame. Yeah, we are in the 5 minute time frame itself. Okay, 37,000. 37,000 would be an important point, no doubt. And let's go to the hourly time frame once and do some analysis over here. It's going up like a rocket. There is literally no doubt about it. The bond yield has gone lower, so that's why we are seeing these type of changes reflect in the market, and we are almost there to 37,000. But at 37,000 it's going to take a bounce definitely. So let us check one thing over here. Is it at 37,000? Yeah, 37,049 looks to be a level, a good level. Yes. All right. And we have a supply zone over here, after which we came down from 38,600. This was the highest level. So these are the major two supports over here, but let's see how much it respects and how much are we going to go up. We are up, by the way, 0.63%, which is amazing in the morning itself. And it was a bullish day, but yeah, would be risky because some amount of negativity was there. SGX was showing a slight gap down, but that did not come into fruition. We did not see anything. It opened, I believe, yeah. This is the first candle anyways, guys. We didn't even come into the second candle. So let's see if it breaks 37,000 or not. 36,961 level. Just open Nifty once and check what Nifty is doing. Nifty is still struggling in the negative territory, trying to come into the positive. I think bank is trying to pull it to the positive territory, and there are some IT share news also coming up, like the Mang company, all of those top-notch companies. So we would be having those results coming up, so that would definitely affect the market. And yeah, 36,985. Well, let's just see the strike prices, and not in a mood to take a bullish trade right now, but let's see. 37,000, this level, I think it has just touched 37,000. It might just cross and then come down, so we have to be careful over there. Struggling at 37,000. We are going to wait for some more time and see whether we get a trade or not. Exactly at 30 37,000. But I think it would be advisable to take the trade only after some type of pattern or some type of consolidation, because that would be a better confirmation. And right now, if it comes down directly, then yeah, it can be a small scalp from there. 30 37,000. Huh? Did we touch 37,000? Let's just check the high. See range. Just checking the range of bank once, and yeah, we touched 30, almost 37,000, 36,999. So okay, we are finally at 37,002 points, crossing 37,000, and let's see how much it sustains. In this single candle itself, might we are going to the moon, it seems, huh? All right. It's struggling at 37,000, so this is a good shorting opportunity for all of those people who want to go for some type of scalp trading. Okay, if you want to go for a small scalp, then a small scalp can be taken, and that's how scalp trading works. You have to take it at a really nice level. So this level actually is really nice, and if we go for the short position over here, which is risky. Okay, it's really risky, but we can take somewhat of a 1 is to 1. Initially you can take 1 is to 1, not more than that. Yeah, initially you can take a risk of 1 is to 1, but this candle would be the deciding factor. It might just go up, it might just burst up, so at that time you'll have to take a small amount of loss. Okay, but currently we have entered and we are at a profit, because 37,000 is a really nice round figure, and also you see some amount of resistance. It did not reach to that portion, although but anyways, let's see whether bank actually struggles over here or not, or we get a good one. Being patient is the right thing to do, but yes, um, I think we had entered over here, so we might be at a loss. So as soon as it comes to that point where it's actually breaking the previous high, we have to square off our position. But let's see if it breaks. It did not break yet. It did not break the previous high as of now. It's struggling at 37,004 levels, but if it breaks, then we have to exit our position because the market is looking super bullish, at least till now. And why I have kept it small, because you can see this is a type of a demand zone, and we can get some amount of pounds from there. So that's the main reason why I have kept it short. But have some time. So that's the main thing, guys. It's taking a good amount of rejection exactly at that level, and if it does that, which means we are all good to go actually. But we can't be super ambitious over here while taking the scalp. We have to take a small scalp, just because the market is really bullish and it can uh, you go to the other direction. As soon as it does, we are going to cancel the short trade. Short trade has been initiated from 37,000 itself, and we are at 36,997. Bank is struggling over there, and I'm just checking the chart of Nifty once. Well, Nifty actually opened with a gap down, okay, and we are still, yeah, I think Nifty has just filled up the gap, and this is a nice confirmation for Bank Nifty also to go up, because the day's end, if we are closing somewhere, if this is the closing point, then the closing of the previous day is always an important point, and we should always take that note. Okay, and this point, you see, Nifty is taking a good amount of resistance exactly at this point, so this can actually pull Bank Nifty a bit down. Not much, but at least slightly we can expect some amount of momentum downwards, but we are waiting. And today, are we going to get a downfall? It's not going to go down in just one candle. Don't ever think that as soon as you have long the market or short the market is obliged to do what you are thinking. Maybe the market will go into your direction only when you wait for the target and you have patience. You need some patience, guys, and that's the only differentiating factor of a good trader and a bad trader. If you're not waiting till your target, whatever your target is, even if it's a small target, if you are waiting for the target, and you should go out of the market as soon as it hits your target. Okay, so a negative candle right over there, and let's see whether it retraces and we get some amount of profit, or whether it go to the other direction. As soon as it turns around, we are going to square off our position. Okay, but it didn't, and we are in a profit. We are not getting more than 1:1 over here, but we can aim for later half. And you see, this is the thing which I was speaking about. And yes, Nifty could not sustain above those levels. Again, we are coming to crucial support in Nifty, and this can be dangerous for bank. And but yeah, it's coming down. If it's coming down in a flow, then why not take the flow? It's coming down nicely, and let's see how badly it comes down. It might actually we might see a good momentum in the morning itself downwards. All the gains which Bank Nifty got, we might lose. And yeah, you can see that we are getting 100 points. So I would say that that's why I found it to be a bit risky over here, because the market might be a bit choppy and we might see some potential. bounce because Nifty is at a crucial zone, but still we can aim for this much at least once our target is hit. uh, Not taking too much ambitious target. If the target is not hit, then that's okay too. Whoa! Oh my god, what happened over here? Nifty is just going down like a waterfall, huh? Oh my god, Nifty is much more weaker than Bank, guys. I mean, it's quite amazing that Bank is so strong and we are trading in Bank. So I think we should have taken the short trade in Nifty. That would have been better. But now definitely we can wait and we can extend our target if the market gives us more. We are already getting 160 points right off the bat in the morning itself. Remember, we have shorted right exactly at the highest point. And now we are waiting. Okay, this would be a small exit at least for the morning, not looking for too ambitious target, or we can exit half the quantity over here itself and dragging the stop loss to cost. So now we can book half quantity and drag the stop loss to cost, because I think there might be some bounce from here, and at least we have the other half quantity, and the other half can actually go, it can go anywhere. It can go to the cost to cost zone, but still we are out with a profit of 100 points, and that's the main thing. Hmm. 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 All right, guys, so I think I'm going to close down the stream. Okay, and I hope you enjoyed the morning trade. The morning trade was really smooth. Whoa, just when I was about to close down the stream, it's going down. And yeah, the morning trade was really smooth. We got a really nice trade in Bank and in Nifty, which I didn't take, but Bank we got at least 160 points, and rest I'm keeping the quantity for later onwards. Okay, so yeah, I'll meet you tomorrow, and see, let's see if we get some good levels. We can come, during the mid destination. Okay, take care, bye.